Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Acura RDX technology package. This one's white. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 278 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. Got a rear spoiler, RDX all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, we've got a keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. We've got a rear view backup camera, our garage door openers. Also we have navigation, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, heated seats. This RDX has 80,699 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this RDX, check out feldmannimports.com.